And for more, we have Gurmeet Singh joining us from Gurdaspur, Punjab. Well, Gurmeet, continuous rain in many parts of Punjab right now. Rivers are in spate. Is the situation under control?
We cannot say exactly the situation is under control, but the district administration and the other agencies are constantly trying to bring the situation under control. Right now, I'm reporting from Dera Baba Nanak area of Gurdaspur, village Hardowal, and I would like to show you the visuals over here. First of all, you can see these are the fields of this village, and where you can see all the crops are inundated in water, and this is the plight of almost all villages here, which are adjacent villages, village Kala, village Khurd, and various other villages where the fields and the entire villages have been submerged into water, and the district administration is constantly trying to evacuate people and moving them to the safer areas. So right now, if I talk about specifically Gurdaspur, then there is a place called Bakoda Pattan, which is about 50 kilometers away from here. There are about 7 villages which have been submerged into water, and the people have been asked to go to the safer areas, and these 7 villages have been disconnected from rest of the country. And besides these villages, there are several other villages where the flood waters have reached. And if we talk about Pathankot, then the Jammu Pathankot Jalandhar highway, it is submerged in water. Water is overflowing there, and all 3 canals of the Pathankot, which is MB link canal, and the other 2 canals, they are overflowing, and all 3 rivers, Ravi, Byas and Satluj, which are near the danger mark. So at the moment, Pathankot is also facing grim situation, and administration is constantly appealing and urging the people to contact the district administration through helpline numbers which have been issued if they want to share any kind of information with the district administration. If we talk about other border areas like Fazilka, Firozpur, lot of villages have got flood waters over there, and the people are displaced in large number, and district administration is constantly requesting people to move to the safer places. And the situation is almost same in 3-4 districts, which are Fazilka, Firozpur, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, few areas of Amritsar, and Pathankot. So at the moment, I have few villages, few people, localites with me, so I would request talk to them and request them, like आप जैसे यहाँ पर रहते हैं, तो आपने अभी सुबह से अब तक क्या सिचुएशन देखी है?
सुबह से सिचुएशन ये है कि जब हम सुबह आए थे 8 बजे यहाँ 8 बजे सिर्फ 6 इंच पानी था, कोई पानी नहीं था, दूर तक कोई पानी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। अभी 2.5 घंटा में इधर 5 फुट पानी आया है। अभी तक कोई प्रशासन नहीं आया। प्रशासन आएगा तब जहाँ सब कुछ डूब जाएगा, उतनी देर कोई नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, जो फसलों के बारे में है, जैसे कि गुरदासपुर में बता रहे हैं कि काफी एकड़ फसल, पठानकोट में भी और कुछ जिलों में भी, तो फसलों का जैसे आपके गांव में है और आसपास के गांव में, क्या यहाँ पर स्पेसिफिकली नुकसान आप देख रहे हैं फील्ड लेवल पर?
यहाँ गुरदासपुर जिले में नुकसान इतना है, हमारा ही गाँव विलेज हरदोरवाल में, ठीक है, 5,000 एकड़ का यहाँ ही नुकसान है, जिसको अभी तक किसी ने नहीं देखा, ना कोई देखने आया है। तब देखेंगे जब गल सड़कर पूरा खराब हो जाएगा, उतनी देर कोई नहीं। 5,000 एकड़ गुरदासपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का हरदोरवाल कलां का ही खराब हुआ है, कि वही खराब है। बाकी विलेज छोड़ दो, कितना है, विलेज हरदोरवाल का ही 5,000 एकड़ जो है खराब हो चुका है।
अभी अगले कुछ घंटों में आपको क्या लगता है, ये पानी का स्तर बढ़ेगा या घटेगा? क्योंकि अभी तो सुबह से जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि पानी का स्तर लगातार बढ़ रहा है, तो अभी क्या लग रहा है?
बढ़ रहा है, अभी बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। आप भी देख रहे हैं 15 मिनट में आपने देखा है कि पानी जो है 2 फुट ऊपर आ गया।
All right, Gurmeet. So,
अभी तक पानी जो है आगे से पीछे को आ रहा है।
all right, Gurmeet, as we heard our correspondent talking to the locals there, and he was saying that the water level is increasing tremendously since the morning, and people there are facing a lot of problems. We are also connected by Rachna, our correspondent in Shimla. Rachna, what's the situation there right now there? And after the rain has slowed down, but Byas River is above the danger mark still.
Past 2 days, the monsoon has slowed down in Himachal Pradesh, but there is no relief for the people. Byas River is fully raging and it's overflowing from the danger mark. For a precautionary measure, administration has evacuated 17 panchayats and 80 villages from the Kangra district. And today they have planned around 1.1 lakh cubic waters they were going to flow. In Bharmor district, where the communication lines were completely down. We have got the sources that there is around 3,000 people who are stuck in the Manimesh Yatra, and administration is trying their best to evacuate them from the helicopters and other mediums. Though the communication line is still not working and very slow down there. Apart from that, Mandi and Kullu district are severely affected. In fact, last night there was a huge landslide which happened in the Mandi and Chandigarh National Highway. Uh, though there is no loss of a life at present, but administration is still figuring out that how they can go about it. But definitely, it will take a long time for Himachal Pradesh to come to normal.
Situation there is very, very grim as we come to understand. Thank you so much, both of you, for all those details.